Hello everybody. Who likes Belanger? Yeah, there's no triangles. But maybe there used to be something there. Anyways guys, hello. This is another car wash video and we are at Antwerpen's Clarksville Car Wash in Clarksville, Maryland. And we are going to get a car wash here. So I'm gonna pause. We're gonna get the probably the wash and shine for 15. Yeah. Whew, I was so excited I couldn't count my change. But anyways, yeah, this used to have an Airstream dryer at one point. And for the first time ever for myself, we are going to be looking at that retrofit. So this is a brand new MacNeil tunnel with old Belanger dryers. And as you can see, there's really cool Sidekick dryers on the sides. So anyways, here's the new counterweight. I got the 15, so I don't know how much I'm going to show here. Quite a bit of soap. There's the brushes on the back. And here's the last of the MacNeil brushes, and then we have new dryers. Well, actually, we have the original dryers. I apologize. Looks like we have some rinsing going on. Check this out, everybody. Look at this. Really cool. Let me tell you, this is a really cool set of dryers. Looks like these are air cannons and they retrofitted for them to be squared like that, because this is where the dryer used to be for the Airstream. Anyways, I'm gonna put the car in drive because the wash is over. Now that's a really cool wash, I tell you. So anyways, I'm gonna park here. I love when there's parking spaces that are like this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video, and peace out, y'all.